my dear friend Apostle Suleiman, happy birthday. You know, as I think about you over the years, I look at your services around the world. I look at the charity that you've done across the world, people you've helped, school fees you've paid, people you've cared for, the size of the church. My God, I am impressed. Sometimes I think maybe I should be a pastor myself. But you are a very, very special man. A good husband, a good father to your children, and a great man for the world. Happy birthday to my brother.